What if your system could detect a cyber attack in real time with an alarm sound? In this video, I'll show you my first cybersecurity project, a real-time intrusion detection system built using Python, machine learning, and real network traffic. I created this project to understand how real intrusion detection systems actually work. Not just theory, but real-world implementation. Everything you see here runs inside a safe virtual lab using VirtualBox, Kali Linux, and Ubuntu. What is RealTime-IDS? RealTime-IDS is a machine learning-based intrusion detection system. It captures live network traffic, analyzes packets, and decides whether the traffic is normal or malicious. And when an attack is detected, the system instantly alerts the user. How it works. First, the system captures network traffic in PCAP files. Then, packet features such as protocol, packet length, and timing are extracted. These features are used to train a machine learning model. Once training is complete, the system switches to real-time monitoring mode. Every packet is analyzed instantly. Normal traffic is ignored. Malicious traffic triggers alerts immediately. Now let me show you this live.
Warnings in detected. Warnings in detected. Warnings in
As you can see,
detected.
the IDS detects the attack instantly. Now, let's run dashboard.py and see what the dashboard reveals. This dashboard simulates a security operations center. It displays total packets, detected attacks, timestamps, and detailed logs, making monitoring much easier for a security analyst. This project is special to me because it's my first step into cybersecurity. Building this system gave me the confidence to move forward in this field. In the future, I plan to add more attack types, improve machine learning accuracy, enhance visual analytics, integrate real-time notifications. Thanks for watching.